Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. So for today's video I just wanted to show you some nail mail I got from Madam Glam. Let's go ahead and open it up and let's look at these amazing products. I did get to pick out some colors, so the first color I picked out was this beautiful light ruby. It's kind of a purpley pink mauve color, super nice. I also picked this color Sparkling Hearts. It's really pretty, very blingy, and I think it would look so good with a pink set. And lastly, I chose Miss Dorothy, which is this beautiful, nice red gel color. They were also kind enough to send me this super cute mini LED/UV lamp, and it's really easy to hook up. I used it with a couple April sets and it's so nice. It's handheld and I love it. For being a mini lamp, it is really strong, and it has two settings. So the first click on the power button will do a 45-second flash cure, and if you double click that, it'll do a 60-second. So it's perfect for nail art, especially when you're wanting to just flash cure something that you drew and you don't want to worry about it. So the first beautiful color we are going to showcase is light ruby, and I am not gonna lie, I know you're going to fall in love with it just like I did. Look at how beautiful and like sophisticated that color is. It is a super nice color. I did a set on my mom using just this color and it looked so good. I think it's a perfect fall color and it just reminds me of like sweater weather. So I wanted to kind of show you how powerful the lamp is. As you can see, that UV LED light is very bright and it set that polish in place. I'm gonna go ahead and do another nail with the same color, and we're gonna do 2 coats of each. So next we're using Sparkling Hearts, and look at how pretty! I am so ready to see how this looks on the nail. I know it's going to be super glitzy. Look at those glitters. Oh, so pretty. Now, when I'm working with glitter polish, my secret and what I like to do is do a base. So I'll do the whole thing, cover that in a base, and then I'll take my brush, dip it back into the glitter, and then I will kind of not blob it on the nail, but kind of rest my brush on the nail, just so that those spots that are kind of more transparent, they get more opaque with the glitter and the glitz and the pink. Then don't forget to clean up your edges, and we will put that in the lamp and come back for a second coat. And it is so sparkly, the camera doesn't want to pick it up, but ooh, nice. We'll do a second coat on that, but in the meantime we are going to be using Miss Dorothy, which is this beautiful and classy red. You cannot go wrong with the nice red gel color. You must have one in your collection, and I definitely recommend Miss Dorothy. It is nice, it's opaque, and it's beautiful. I will let that cure now, and while I'm doing that, I want you to check out madamglam.com because those gel colors they have are so nice. They are so pigmented, and you can find one for every occasion. But before you check out, don't forget to use my code so you can save a little money, because holidays are right around the corner and we need to make our dollar stretch right now. So I am just doing the second coat on each of the nails, and then I will add my Madam Glam top coat, and we will be all set on these beautiful colors. I hope you enjoyed these gel colors as much as I did. I'm so happy with the ones I picked out. They are all so nice in their own way. They're all classy, elegant, and that Sparkling Hearts is just so much fun. And this mini lamp is so cute and it's so functional, you know, and it's portable, and I love everything about this package. So thank you again, Madam Glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!